Hi everyone, welcome to the BP20 Precision Thermo Probe tutorial. The BP20 is designed to help you get better results when barbecuing or cooking. This video will give you an overview of the product. This is the case that holds and charges the probe. You can also call it the charger. On the right side of the case, you'll find the power button and the set button. The USB-C charging port is on another side. The charger's lid is secured magnetically. You can easily remove it to see the charging base that accommodates the probe. The probe is sharp and pointy. Please keep it away from children. You can use more than one probe at a time. In that case, the number on each probe helps you identify which one you're using. The handle is ceramic with a built-in sensor to measure ambient temperature. At the other end, there's a sensor for measuring the food's internal temperature. Here's the charging base. Place the probe in the slot to start charging. When not in use, simply put the lid back on. Press the power button to turn the charger on. Press the set button to view the target temperature. Press it again to see the probe's battery level, and again to see the charger base's battery level. How to connect the probe to the app via Wi-Fi. Search VestaEco in the iOS App Store or Google Play and install the app. Register or log in with your email or use Apple or Google Sign-In. Connect your phone to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Power on the charger, then press and hold the power and set buttons for 3 seconds until the Wi-Fi icon flashes rapidly. Tap Add Device in the app, then select the probe icon. Follow the prompts to select your 2.4 GHz network, then press Next. The probe will pair with the app. Once paired, you can rename the probe. Tap Done, and you're all set. How to connect the probe to the VestaEco app via Bluetooth. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth is on and near the probe. Open the VestaEco app. Power on the probe charger. It will automatically connect to the app. Now let's cook some meat. There's a notch near the probe's ceramic handle. Insert the probe deeply into the meat so the notch is fully covered. If it isn't buried far enough, the probe could be damaged by heat. Open the app and select Target. Choose your food category. Built-in temperature settings for different levels of doneness are available. You can use these or enter your own target temperature. You can monitor cooking from anywhere on your phone. When the internal temperature nears your target, the app will notify you to remove the food from the heat. Tap the button to confirm removal, and the app will show a resting message. The food's temperature will continue to rise until the app notifies you it's ready to eat. If you prefer not to use the app, you can perform all operations on the charger. Press the set button, then the power button to enter temperature setting mode. Press power to increase the temperature, set to decrease it, or hold either button for quick adjustment. Five seconds after setting the temperature, the display stops flashing. With the probe inserted in the food, press power to start cooking. You can attach the charger magnetically to the outside of a refrigerator. When the food is done, remove the probe. Safety information. Do not use the probe at temperatures above 300 degrees for more than 20 minutes. The probe is sharp. Handle with care and keep away from children. Do not use the probe in a microwave or pressure cooker. If the probe contacts a heat source directly, stop heating immediately and let it cool before removing it. Wear oven mitts when removing the probe after cooking to avoid burns. Do not immerse the probe in cold water immediately after cooking. Let it cool first. Do not use cleaning products containing alcohol, ammonia, benzene, or abrasives. They may damage the probe. Do not place the charger on or near high-temperature surfaces. The charger is not waterproof. Never immerse it in water or clean it in a dishwasher. Only charge the unit using the voltage specified on the label. That's all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching.